ISA 2013. My name is Vanessa Villamera and I'm the news editor of the Beden Herald. First off, please state your name, year and course, and the position you are running for.
I am Dexter Marine, BSLM, second year. I'm running for the position.
Alright, since you're running for auditor, what are your specific plans of action under your Fortis platform?
Okay. In regards with my position, I would like to implement transparency through through posting it in our bulletins and as well as in our student executive council's Facebook.
Alright, next question. As for your background, have you had any leadership experience before, such as being an officer for a co-curricular or special interest organization?
Yeah, in fact, when I was in elementary, nung elementary pa ako, ayun, sige. Peace and order officer ako nung student government doon. Then, when I went to high school na, naging level rep din ako nung second year, din ako nag-start. Then, in my fourth year sa high school, naging president din ako. And ngayong college naman, ako yung founder ng Red Booters Football Club dito. And for now, kasi gusto kong mag-level up ako, yun. Gusto kong tumakbo sa Student Executive Council dahil talagang passion ko na talagang mag-serve sa student.
During this next academic year, is the CAS Level 2 PAASCO accreditation already. With this, how can the SEC contribute to the improvement of the college?
PAASCO?
Yeah. Just so you know, next year it's already the Level 2 PAASCO accreditation of our college. So, how can the SEC contribute to the improvement of our own college?
The Better Party aims to gusto namin maging best school, one of the best schools in the South. So, ang gusto namin ang gusto namin mangyari yun nga, yung pagpapatuloy namin yung aming mga services na ginawa ng previous SEC officers, such as yun nga, ipapursue namin yung Magna Carta. In fact nga, di ba, yung other universities and colleges, lalapit na sa atin para, yun nga, makagawa rin sila ng Magna Carta. So, yun din, pinapursue natin na, yun nga, maging best school in the South and hopefully maging top school tayo sa buong Philippines.
On to the next question from the Beden Herald's official Facebook page. Coming from Monica Maestrado, a fourth-year IA student, he stated, in line with our Magna Carta, how would you deal with our plaguing student apathy? What are your probable solutions on the aforementioned matter?
Gusto namin ma-involve yung mga students such as sa seminars, magko-conduct tayong seminars and outside campus activities para ma-involve sila kasi hindi lang naman talaga yung mga student leaders ng SEC yung kailangan ma-involve dito dahil lahat tayo dito estudyante. So, ang gusto namin mangyari, maging-involve tayo such as para maging sa way na to, such as sa seminars and sa activities na to, matutulungan sila kung ano talaga yung background nyo sa leadership training or kahit ano pang activity.
For your last question, how would you feel if you did not win in the elections considering you're running unopposed?
Siyempre, di ba, malulungkot ka. Pero, experience mo na yun sa pagkatalo mo. Kailangan mo na lang matuto na talagang siguro hindi ka lang deserving, pero I think I'm deserving naman talaga kasi yun nga sa skills and characteristics ko, I know it complements with my position din. So yun, parang nakakalungkot lang kasi in-offer ko yung sarili ko for the students to vote me para yun nga makaserve sa kanila kaysa naman 'di ba walang magse-serve sa kanila, yun nga yung si abstain.